here, the principal and also the owner of HANKidz, you should praise me. And now we have 4 branches across Klang Valley. So I used to study in degree in accounting, and not only that, voila, I am here in education line building this business as a principal and as an owner in HANKidz. So how I first started was teaching. I actually teach in HANKidz, and I realized that it was so fun working with children, and I realized if I'm doing it alone, I only can impact so little. And that's how I started to think of I want to have a school and guiding teachers and children so that we can impact more lives. That's how I started Phrase Preschool. And from then on, I realized there are more people who have the same mindset like me who want to impact a lot of children. And that's how we come together and we have this very supportive platform for us to bounce back idea from not knowing how to teach until now knowing how to serve our children, our parents, and also run this business all together. And that's how we crafted all the blueprints of how this education business works. And in this Edupreneur workshop, you get to know in and out about education business. I'll see you there. Bye-bye!